Were there any noticeable changes? Meron bang kahit anong warning signs dun sa behavior ng shooter papunta dun sa actual shooting? I ask this, sir, kasi nabalita na bago pa nangyari yung insidente, narinig daw nung mga kaklase niya, itong shooter, narinig na nagsabi daw siya na I will shoot the school.
At this point, Madam Chair, we cannot give any information to that because we are still trying to dig all the facts and we don't want to be speculative. Although we acknowledge that there are no verified information at this point in time and we don't want to derail or add more information that will somehow confuse the final outcome of the report or the pending investigation, Madam Chair.
Ano po yung pinaka-importante or ilan sa pinaka-importante yung learnings sa trahedyang ito? I understand everything is still so raw, pero dahil nabanggit nyo yung learnings, meron na po ba one or a few na pwede nyong i-share sa committee?
Well, as there's a saying that it takes a village to educate a child, and what is the most important is how the child behaves at home, and it is the whole of the community approach and it comes to trying to help the kid, and for somebody like the one that perpetrated the crime, he was a normal kid, and he was even one of the brightest among the students in his level. In fact, he graduated valedictorian in grade school, also in Ateneo, Madam Chair.
Matapos ang trahedyang ito, pwede nyo bang sabihin sa amin ang general assessment ninyo sa nangyari?
Well, we don't want this to occur once, and we don't want this to happen to any of the schools. No, the school should be a safe space for our kids, and it's really very unfortunate that this thing happened to Ateneo de Zamboanga University. And there are a lot of learnings, and we have strengthened and further strengthen our security measure in all these campuses, Madam Chair.